There's no gray cat sleeping on the steps, storm brewing in the sky. There's no gray cat sleeping on the steps, storm brewing in the sky. Oh, and when that water comes a-pouring down, well, that old gray cat's gonna fly. 12:30, I'm getting up off the couch. I wipe the sleep from my eyes. 12:30, I'm getting up off the couch and I'm wiping the sleep from my eyes. Funny that I'm feeling just a little bit hungover when I didn't even sleep last night. Dishes piled high in the kitchen sink, records scattered all across the floor. Dishes piled high in the kitchen sink, records scattered all across the floor. Well, I'm sitting here waiting for the phone to ring, but I know you ain't gonna call me no more. Mid-afternoon, the sun's finally coming through the clouds, so I head on down the street to the bar. Mid-afternoon, the sun's finally coming through the clouds, so I head on down the street to the bar. Well, I just wanna spend some sweet time with you, my baby, but I don't even know where you are. Take a seat at the corner table. There ain't nobody sitting there. I take a seat at the corner table. There ain't nobody to get in my hair. And I spend my evening talking to a ghost conversation, decays in the air. Well, the moon's hanging high, so I heading on back home. That old gray cat's out on the steps again. Moon's hanging high, so I head on back home. That old gray cat's out on the steps again. Well, it amazes me what some people will do when they ain't got no friends. Well, Cannonball's playing some alto sax and Yusef Lateef plays the flute. Well, I really wanted to see you tonight, my little darling, but I know that the point is moot. And I'm spinning my records and I'm biding my time, but most of all I'm missing you. There's an old gray cat sleeping on the steps, storm brewing in the sky. There's an old gray cat sleeping on the steps. I got some tears welling up in my eyes. Oh, and when that water comes a-pouring down, I said when that water comes, I said when that water comes a-pouring down, that old gray cat's gonna fly.